Hello there, crafters. I'm Beth and I am here with Crafty Corner. We are an authorized retailer for Cricut. Today, I am very excited to unbox the new Cricut Joy Xtra. We'll see what's in the box, set it up in Design Space, and do our first project. Here's the Cricut Joy Xtra. This was designed to be a space-saving machine, but with so much extras. Inside the box, you'll find the welcome packet. We'll open this later. The machine. A Cricut Joy black pen. The power cord, and a tiny weeder. Let's open the welcome packet. Inside you'll find the user manual, a Let's Get Started guide, warranty information, and last but not least, you will find some sample materials such as Smart Label, 2 sheets of Smart Vinyl, a piece of iron-on, and a piece of transfer tape. Just like the Joy, there are no buttons on this new Joy Xtra machine, and it will turn on automatically when it gets plugged in. Let's head on over to Design Space to get it set up. If this is your first Cricut, you will need to set up an account with Design Space. I'm going to click on the menu button and New Product Setup, Smart Cutting Machine, and I'll select the Joy Xtra. Then we just need to follow the directions right in here. First is to make sure there is enough space to work around your machine, and then plug it in, which we've already done. Next is to connect the machine via Bluetooth. You will first want to connect your device, computer, iPad, tablet, phone, to the machine via Bluetooth. Once you've done that, then you can select your machine from the drop-down menu here. Hit continue. We'll agree to the terms of use and then activate. It will then check for updates for your machine. This may take a while. And now we're all set up. We can now make our first test cut. Prepare for the cut by confirming the blade is in the clamp. Insert the Smart Vinyl into the machine under the guides until the roller grabs the material. Let's see what that looks like from above. And now we can see what that actually looks like from the front. It will pull it in and check the material length. We can then click Go in Design Space, and it will cut. This is what you'll see in Design Space. And here is cutting in action. When it's all done cutting, it will prompt you to unload the material in Design Space. Now we need to weed and put our decal on something. I start by cutting our vinyl piece down right next to our cut decal. To weed the image, you will take your weeder and lightly dig into the vinyl in a corner. This will help you pull up just the vinyl and peel it back, leaving just the decal. Then you'll do the same thing for the inside for the letters. Next, we'll cut a piece of the transfer tape just slightly larger than our decal. Pull off the backing and place it on our image. Using a scraper tool, burnish well, both the front and the back. You can then remove the vinyl backing. You now have your decal attached to the transfer tape, then you can place it wherever you would like. Again, use the scraper tool to burnish it down. And lastly, pull back the transfer tape. And there you have it, the new Joy Xtra machine unboxed, set up, and our very first project. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel so you can see all of the new features of this awesome machine coming up. Check out Craft-e-Corner.com to purchase your Cricut Joy Xtra on September 7th. Bye for now.